Greetings, class. My name is Josh, and today I'm going to be showing you and explaining what I'm going to be doing with my students uh, for track and field as the sport activity, and specifically we're going to be doing the activity of discus, throwing the discus. So the first thing that I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be demonstrating, showing you how to properly throw the discus. Okay, so there's that. And then the second part is I'm gonna have you, after you guys see me and I've given you guys cues and information, I'm gonna have you, being the students, uh, try and throw the discus. And then after you practice, you know, thirdly, uh, I want you to apply the skills and the knowledge that I gave you as students and use that in a game or activity, and then whoever wins or scores the highest in that game and activity, right, will get some form of a prize, whether it be a slushie or a gift card or something. So I hope this information was helpful and encouraging, and you can reach me on my school email or before or after class. Thank you very much. Have a great day.